May the peace, mercy, and blessings of God be upon you. I would like to tell you that today on the site you can earn from $5 to $7 daily from it. I will not tell you $10. I will tell you from $5 to $7 daily if you work on it very well and apply the steps and method of earning from it properly as we do. We will say it now, today's website. You can earn from it using the ruble currency. The ruble is a Russian currency, and you can also see advertisements through it. You earn through advertisements and website visits. Of course, you will find the link in the article in the video description and in the first pinned comment. Thank you for watching the video. I hope that you subscribe to the channel and activate the bell button on all so that you receive notifications of all new videos. I am here on the channel offering you free explanations for profit from internet, so I ask you to kindly subscribe to the channel to support us, and do not forget to like the video. The first time you enter the link, the main page of the site will open with you in this way, and you will click on sign up. You will write here the username, here the email and password, and of course the invitation code. I will tell you in the description, because you take an amount the first time you register from the link and write the invitation code. Of course, you will write here the number in the box, 46,886. After that, you click on register and you receive an email to confirm your account. Of course, the website is Russian, but I am a translator into English via Google Translate. As you can see, you earn this currency VS, and after that you convert it to the ruble and withdraw it to your payer account. Okay, how will I earn? You will click on the word browse. After that you link your account on Google. You must link your Google account. After you link your Google account, ads will start to appear in front of you in this way. You click like this, you will start changing ads and moving from one ad to another. Okay, how will you earn? So we will click on this advertisement will open a beautiful page with me in this way, and it has a number of seconds. This is of course like an advertisement for a game or something, which has a number of seconds, and you wait a few seconds. After that, you solve a code and solve a simple puzzle like this. He tells you, for example, he chose TV, we chose TV. Of course, you solve the situation. It goes back to the site. You earned the coins. There are 456 left. Of course, his profit is small, but with continuity, you can make this profit or this number. This, of course, is the same for the rest of the ads. I mean, for example, this was another ad. Do you prefer to open this page? He tells you to open it for 11 seconds or 10 seconds. You prefer to open the page for how many seconds? This is very, very excellent. He tells you to choose the dog. Of course, you solved the issue or earned the amount. We will reload exactly 1,457 and so on continuously. Okay, I have collected the VS currency and so on, and I want to withdraw. How will I withdraw? Okay, do you see this word above this? Do you see this word? Exchange VS. We will click on it like this. And then you will choose sell VS and then choose sell VS. And you will click on sell all. You will sell all the VS for the ruble, and after that it will click on sell VS. As you can see, I have 48 rubles left. And here comes the time when I withdraw them. How will I withdraw them? I will click here, and as you can see, here is where my payer email was written before. And this is what you do from settings. You go to settings and start verifying your email in order to enter settings to make sure that you are the owner. The account. After that, you put your payer account in English again. Sorry, the payer account. After that, you write the value that you will withdraw. I will withdraw 48.8, and you will click on a very excellent withdrawal. You have withdrawn every ruble, as you can see. These are the withdrawals. I had withdrawn them before and more from the site. This is also necessary on the site to know that you have the potential to profit through referrals of inviting friends. You can take your link that is present in this place and invite your friends to register on the site through you, and of course you earn everything they register through you by taking from them an exchange of visit, which means an exchange. These visits are also the possibility that you earn by exchanging visits. Someone will put you on your site and you will enter his site, and so on. After that, you have something called ad site. If you want to make an advertisement for your site and pay with VS, that means you charge the site in order to pay the VS currency and bring visits to your site. This is also available, and there is a possibility of doing this through the site, as you can see. My income is 47 rubles. Of course, I withdraw 48 in a discount of half a ruble. This was all about the site. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. I will see you, God willing, in a new episode. Thank you and peace be upon you, and God's mercy and blessings